Space is one of the most extraordinary and strangest things humankind has ever discovered. Yet, there's so many places in space that are terrifying that we may never see. This video is about the top 10 scariest places in space. Number 10, the far side of the moon. This side of the moon never faces Earth. It is pitch black on the surface, and if you were to pass it, there would be zero communication with you from Earth unless a relay satellite is used. The terrain of this side of the moon is rougher due to meteorites that struck it. If you were to be on its surface, it would be closest to Earth than anywhere in space. Number 9, Venus. Venus may look calm from your telescope at home, but its surface has one of the most hostile environments in the solar system. Temperatures are enough to melt lead. The pressure on Venus is equivalent to being a mile underwater on Earth. Clouds of sulfuric acid block the sun and burning the ground. Any attempts to land rovers on Venus have resulted in them being crushed, overheated, or destroyed within minutes. Number 8, Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This storm has been raging for at least 300 years. It is larger than Earth and powered by Jupiter's immense internal heat. Wind reaches hundreds of miles per hour, whipping ammonia clouds into violent vertical motions. Lightning bolts inside the storm are stronger than anything seen on Earth. Jupiter has no solid surface. Falling into it means descending forever, while pressure and temperature increase until your body breaks itself down. Number 7, Europa, moon of Jupiter. Europa is locked in a constant gravitational struggle between Jupiter and nearby moons. This tug-of-war flexes Europa's interior, cracking its icy crust like broken glass. Beneath the ice is a dark, global ocean, more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Radiation from Jupiter bombards the surface, lethal within hours. If life exists here, it lives in complete darkness, under crushing pressure, isolated from the sun forever. Number 6, Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings look beautiful, but they are high-speed kill zone. Trillions of particles ranging from dust to mountain-sized chunks orbit Saturn at extreme velocities. Even a pebble could punch through a spacecraft like a bullet. Navigating the rings requires absolute precision. One miscalculation and a ship could be shredded instantly. The beauty hides constant, violent motion. Number 5, the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a distant shell of icy debris surrounding the solar system, extending nearly a quarter of the way to the nearest star. Sunlight here is barely distinguishable from the surrounding darkness. Temperatures approach absolute zero. Objects drift silently, disturbed only by passing stars or galactic tides. If a spacecraft were stranded here, it wouldn't just be lost, it would be forgotten, frozen in the deep outskirts of existence. Number 4, neutron stars. Neutron stars are the remains of massive stars that collapsed under their own gravity. They are only about 12 miles wide, but contain more mass than the sun. Their gravity is so intense that approaching one would stretch a human body atom by atom in a process called spaghettification. Some neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second, emitting lethal beams of radiation. Getting too close means being torn apart by physics itself. Some of these stars are completely invisible, meaning some could be near Earth from even 1 light year away and wouldn't be noticed until the last second. Number 3, rogue planets. Rogue planets wander the galaxy alone, ejected from the star systems. They drift in absolute darkness, their surfaces frozen solid. Some may have subsurface oceans heated by internal radioactive decay. Hidden between miles of ice, a rogue planet could pass through a solar system without warning, invisible until it's too late. These are worlds with no sun, no dawn, and no future. Number 2, black holes. Event horizon. A black hole forms when gravity overwhelms all known forces. This event horizon is the point of no return. Once crossed, escape is impossible. From the outside, time appears to slow to a stop. From the inside, reality collapses. Tidal forces stretch matter into thin strands before crushing it beyond recognition. Whatever falls in it is removed from the universe, leaving behind only silence. Number 1, the void between galaxies. Some galaxies lie immense regions of near total emptiness. No stars, no planets, no light, just cold, expanding space. Distances here are so vast that even traveling at light speed would take millions of years to reach anything. If a ship was stranded into this void, there'd be no landmarks, no rescue, and no end. This is where the universe is quiet enough to hear nothing at all, and nothing can be seen.